Hello there! Have you ever thought about keeping bees? It's amazing! Let's dive into the world of these buzzing beauties. Honeybees are like little communities. They have a queen bee, the head honcho. Then there are worker bees, the busy ladies who do all the work. Drones are the male bees just hanging out. These little creatures go through a fascinating life cycle. It all starts with an egg, then transforms into a larva, a pupa, and finally, a grown-up bee. And get this, they even have their own language, a waggle dance, to tell each other where to find the best flowers. How neat is that? Ready to roll up your sleeves? Let's talk about what you need to start your beekeeping adventure. First things first, safety. You'll need a smoker. It calms the bees down. Also grab a veil and jacket to protect yourself from stings. Next, a hive tool is like your beekeeping multi-tool. You'll use it for everything. A bee brush gently moves bees when you need to. And don't forget a feeder to give them a little sugar boost when needed. Finding the perfect spot for your hive is important. Think sunshine, shelter from the wind, and plenty of flowers nearby. Once your hive is set up, it's inspection time. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Put on your gear, light your smoker, and gently open the hive. You're checking for a healthy queen bee eggs or larvae, signs of any problems, and how much honey they're storing. It's like checking in on your little buzzing buddies. Beekeeping is rewarding in so many ways. First, you get that delicious honey. There's nothing like it. Beeswax is another amazing gift, perfect for candles and lotions. But it's not just about the goodies. Bees are essential for our environment. They pollinate our crops, helping our gardens and farms thrive. Of course, there might be a sting or two along the way, but with the right gear and know-how, it's a small price to pay for the joys of beekeeping. Ready to start your beekeeping journey? Joining a local beekeeping club is a great first step. You'll learn from experienced beekeepers and make new friends who share your passion. Trust me, the world needs more beekeepers. It's good for the bees, good for the planet, and good for the soul. Happy beekeeping!